All right, this is the Merrill Model K2024 PLC-based hydraulic keyseater, serial number KM95006.
All right, so I've got the display panel, and of course we're under power already, as you can see. Just a quick overview. Main switchgear panel down here, and of course there's a lot behind here too, but that's the PLC, the Omron. We do have 480 coming into the machine currently, and we are in a run condition. We're good to go there. Standard front panel display here for jog up and down, and we have all the presets here for the program functions. I'm currently on number 1, which is the counter position display. We are at 0. And number 2, my feed rate, I'm coming in at 3 thousandths per hit, per cut. And the preset is 24 thousandths, so we're going to go up to 24 at 3 thousandths per. Smoothing strokes, I've got 4, so after we hit our 23 thousandths, we'll go up and down 4 times, 8 times to be honest. And after that, it's just irregular, whether it's millimeter or not. Cycle time, part count indication, that's how many I've run since I've been playing with it, and the hour meter and such. So I want to go back to, this is cutter position where you want to end off at, and we're ending off at number 1, which is up when it finishes. So I'm just going to leave it right there. I kind of watch the position display as we're running. For that matter, I've got it under power, so I can kind of show the hand deal right away. Hand in manual, I think I could do it even without the hydraulics on. We got fast here, which will go up and down with the feed system. I might kind of show that a little bit too, and the numbers, but first we can show the screw. That's moving. I can go down. This is rapid, of course. That works. And now back up to the display, because you can't see it. If I switch over to slow, it'll go incremental, the predetermined 3 thousandths that I've got on my feed rate selection. So even though I'm at 995, I'll go up one, we should go to 998, we'll see. Well, I'm going the other 89 minus 3 is 86, 83. So it's 3 at a time, or going back the other way. There we go. And now that we're done with this, really I just want to, instead of me playing with it, I'm just going to call this 0. To do that, I am on number 1 position display. If I want to go into function, data entry, D gives me data entry. I'm just going to make it all zeros again, 0 this all out, and then E, enter, and we're good to go. I'm back at 0, we're ready to cycle. So that's the hand feed pendant, and while we're at it, of course, the slide, I do have the oil pump on, chip box and door up front. We can run with the door open. I've got the micro switch temporarily blocked out. So we have just enough oil in the base to run up to the top here and throw oil along the ways that you'll see when I'm running. Of course, this is the main hydraulic section, up and down. Micro switch, the dogs, I've got a short little 6-inch stroke here. And that's about it. Off to the right here, we've got the chip chute, which is currently on. I don't have it real tight. It's at 30 pounds or 20 pounds. And of course, hydraulics with the Vickers flow control down here. In fact, we'll fire it up right now, and I'll cycle it. And I can play with the flow control right away, and the oil will come up. And then after we play manually, I'll just flip it over to auto and let it take off. So here's oil on. And manual, where we at? We're all the way up. I'm on manual. In manual, I'll go jog down. This is me on the buttons. Jog up. Up is always rapid return. Jog down is whatever we got off the flow control here. That's manual. I'm just going to hit cycle start, still in the manual mode, which just resets the main piston. Cycle start. And then we just play around with this while we're just preset all this here. We slow this thing way down or up. That works pretty good. Come a gonna leave it maybe right about here somewhere. As you can see top side, we got just enough oil to flood the ways here. We got it coming down, not on the cutter. We're not cutting any metal, so I don't know if you can see in there, but it's flooding it pretty good. You can hear it. Down low, of course, we do have a manual here with electrical drawings and operator's manual. Like I said, we'll leave this open, but we do have the chip shoot and everything going on here. But we're not cutting, so we're just gonna leave it like that. While I'm running with cycle on, which is normal mode of operation, I'm gonna flip it over to auto. And once I hit run, it's gonna start feeding in 3 thousandths at a time all the way up to 24. And of course the cutter's never really going inside. Like I said, I've just got a 6-inch stroke up there, that's all. So, but for our purposes today, that's fine. So I'm gonna hit run now. And you kind of watch what's going on here. See if it starts taking off. There's 5, should go 3 at a time now. All the way up to 24. And when it gets to 24, I'll get my 4 smoothing strokes. And then it'll go all the way back, past the 0, and then come back up on it, on the reset, which is coming up real soon. And this all works nice. 1 more thousand. Smoothing strokes. I think it's 2 for every 1 count. Let me see, I don't remember. That is, yeah. 8, basically 4 cutting strokes. There's going back, bypasses it, and then comes back up to 0, which is nice. And then we go right back into cycle start. And it won't go into automatic run mode, even though we're in auto, until I hit run again. So put a new part in, hit run, and go. There's my 3. Back up to 24, same cycle. After this, if you want, I can just run it cycle only, and if you want to get a topside better, are you okay there? All right, there's 24. We're good to go. Oil off. We're set here.